Hi guys, today some updates on what I've been doing for my solar power system. This is what the additionals lah. I installed extra one more grid tie inverters, which is just linking them together lah. So this is the power supply linking them together, and this is the sensor also linking them together, and setting up this to two units. Okay, now some more this DC capacitor, which I don't think is not so useful for the sun coming in and out through the clouds to balance out, but I might remove this. This might not be such a good idea. So this is still here, not much issues, and I've installed this one. Let me show you a bit. This one. This is the AC auto transformer, but with a fixed rate of 220 converting to 200s. Because in Vietnam here, we are supposed to be averaging 220 AC volts, but it's coming into, like you see now, it's 238. Is considered normal. Sometimes 240, 245, nearly 250, and a lot of surge above 265, and some surge is 270 something, which you will cut. Then this I've installed into the box. It's just an ammeter, how much I'm using, voltage and hertz. As you guys know, hertz is important rather than voltage. Voltage will fluctuate up and down. So the next new, this is just my UPS, my own made UPS system for my routers, Wi-Fi and routers. So this is 24 volt 20 amp, the charger, and this is just I set up the cut in cut out of the charger. So right now is 27.6. So I let it cycle for the top 20%. Let the battery cycles, not keeping it charged all the time. No. Then I have a power converter to convert to 12 volt 3 amp. So this works as a UPS when the power is not stable, so it fluctuates a bit. So this is totally new. I bought a whole server rack and additional two batteries. Let me open it up. Take a look. This is Narada batteries. Is all 4850 amp charging up. So these two I just installed yesterday. It came yesterday. I put it in. So this one installed I think about 2 weeks, 10 days or 2 weeks ago, nearly 2 weeks ago. So then I have a capacitor, which I think is not so useful, so because the requirement surge is not so high in my house, and 3000. This is the 3000 volt pure sine wave inverter. When the power really cuts out, I'm using this for all my daily needs. Only things I cannot use a microwave, water heater, and air conditioning together. Only can use 2 of the items, which is fine for the few hours, usually half a day or 9 hours of cutout every 2 weeks, maybe every 2 weeks. So currently I'm using this. The most interesting things is this one. This one. I'm not using bus bar. I'm rather using a thick cable with this T connections between the thick cables instead of bus bar. So I have all these smaller gauge cables going into those T's. It will clamp down into the huge cables. Yeah, but of course the huge cables have to remove the insulations. Let me remove just just a minute, let me remove the cover and show you what's real. So this is the cover and remove lah. As you can see, you guys can see is the cable thickness is able to do. The bottom one is for the tee off. This tee off. The top one is 6 square feet to 25 squares of cables. So let me zoom in a bit. I cannot zoom. So this will, I have to remove the insulations on the main cables. Then this one will tie down. There's a clamp inside. It will squeeze down to the cables. Squeeze down. Then get connected. Then this cable come in and squeeze it down back to these two screws. This is quite useful. It's very flexible on usage. And this one just slides on. Slides on. You could put a cable tie here, but since it's in this server racks, I don't think it needs any cable tie to secure it. I'm using some wires, some thick aluminium wires to secure them. So when I want to move or upgrade or anything, it's pretty easy. And this is just to hang the wire off, not to release tension from these connections. So the weight is taken up by this hook. Basically, this is a 19-inch server rack, standard server racks, which is very airy for them. So there's no heat issues. And there is 2 fans, exhaust fan here, which I didn't connect also. So this cables actually runs up here and into my ATS, automatic transfer switch. So it goes in here, and connects right here. Sorry, not that. Connects right here in with a plug. The reason with a plug is in the time where rainy seasons, when my batteries are low, I still could plug this into a small generator. So I just pull the extension cables and I'm done. That's why I'm using a plug, not hard wiring into the inverter. Because in Vietnam here we do have rainy seasons which can continue for a whole week. You know, there's no sun. So that's what I've done. Looks a bit complicated. The next phase will be something to cleaning up the cables. But right now we are going end of the year. This might delay another few months before I start cleaning up. The system works. I would like to have a full test of the systems for maybe 1 month or so to see how everything is fine. Then start cleaning up the cables. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.